Morning. Let me continue with the second video and complete the first question, which is the question relating to the responsibilities of foster parents. I ended off yesterday talking about the implications of the possibility of foster parents being able to make major decisions, which is a significant improvement in our law. Right. It must be remembered that foster parents are responsible for the day-to-day needs of a child. That invariably means that foster parents may make decisions that are in the child's best interests, which generally extend beyond those recorded in an order or a plan. Note further that the section also grants the court the right to extend responsibilities and rights beyond those necessary if one of the following three circumstances exist. Either the child has been abandoned, or 2, the child is an orphan, or 3, family reunification is not in the child's best interests. That is a substantial change as well. Offers parents, foster parents, greater responsibilities and rights if those circumstances exist. So you will see the flexibility coming into effect there. Next point, guidance regarding understanding and implementing responsibilities is set out in Regulations 65 and 66 to the Act. These responsibilities are guidelines, but are not exhaustive. In other words, other factors can be taken into account if needs be by the court, as they are designed to encourage the flexible nature of the system. Included in these regulations are, and this is not a complete list of them, are number 1, ensuring that financial contributions received by a foster parent are used for that child's upbringing. Or 2, one should not obstruct contact with parents. 3, one should cooperate with the social worker in relation to issues such as reunification, etc. And then finally, promoting the child's emotional, physical, and social development. The latter point, I'm sure you'll appreciate, is rather open-ended and wide, which may entitle a foster parent to make a decision that is obviously not granted in the court order, like rushing a child into hospital in an emergency. So there are opportunities to go beyond where one ordinarily is obliged to comply with an order because it's in the child's best interest. And if there's any concern about it, you should speak to either your social worker or somebody like myself. And then finally, and most importantly, a court may, in terms of Section 135, suspend or terminate or transfer any or all parental responsibilities and rights. You'll appreciate that this is a very drastic step and is not taken lightly by the courts. It may occur when there is a need for a child to be permanently settled, or the relationship between the child and the parent is questionable, or the degree of commitment that the parent has shown towards the child. So the court makes a call about whether the child should actually have any further relationship with his biological parents. And if not, it severs those ties completely and awards them, if needs be, to the foster parent or to the adopter. Obviously, when there's adoption, that automatically becomes different. So in effect, therefore, the foster parent is granted the rights and responsibilities of a biological parent. However, when you consider children in care, the overriding question that you should always be asking yourself is, what is in the best interest of the child? And how does that impact on the facts of each case? I'm going to have to do a further video to deal with the questions 2 and 3. Thank you.